Today we are going to solve question number 17 for the CKA practice exam. The question says, in namespace project Tiger, create a pod named Tigers Reunite of image HTTPD with labels pod container and container pod. Find out which node the pod is scheduled, SSH into that node and find the containerd container belonging to that pod. Using command crictl, write the ID of the container and the info runtime into this file and write the logs of the container into this file. So let's start the question. Let's first create namespace project Tiger. Second thing is to create a pod run tigers reunite dash image of httpd alpine with dash labels equals to pod equals to container comma container equal to pod get one thing we missed, which is to -n project Tiger. Okay, now it's created. Clear the screen. Get po -n project Tiger. Okay, one is running. Let's say show labels. Okay, so these labels are being shown what we were expecting. It's working now. One more thing we have to do is to see which worker node has been running on. It's running on kind worker 2, as we are using the kind Kubernetes cluster, so it's making use of docker ps kind worker 2. This is the ID of kind worker. Copy, clear the screen. Docker exec -it bin bash into it. Let me do crictl-ps. Now there's just one container. This is the one that we are looking for. Container, copy, and we'll see what they want. The ID of the container and the info runtime of the container. So we will find these from crictl inspect ID. So this is all what we want, but there's too much things here. Let me just do a grep on ID. This is the ID that we are looking for. Let's copy this. But before that, we want to copy this path. Copy this path. Open a new terminal. Vim paste this vim. It will open up a file with this name. And in this file, we will take the ID, copy this, paste it here. Second thing is to do info.runtime. So we'll copy runtime here, go to our terminal, again grep runtime type, and there's a runtime type. Copy this, paste it here. So that's one part of the question is completed. Now let's come to the second part. Write the logs of container into temp opt. Okay, now copy. We'll open up this paste it here, and in this file we'll go and do crictl logs and the container ID. Actually, let me just grab the container ID from here. Container ID, crictl logs, container ID, clear the screen. So this is the container logs. Copy these, go to our file, paste it here, save and quit. So that's the end of the question.